Okay, this is a quick update. It is Thursday, April 14th, and we're looking at the euro dollar. It finally hit that final target down here on this continuation breakout trade. So it took until this morning, but it actually set up yesterday. So this one took a little bit longer than we anticipated, and we held it all through the Asian session. This trade is finally closed, and then we've also got the dollar Swiss that came up here and hit its final target based on the entry here. These took just a little bit longer than normal. There's been breakout trades everywhere this morning on the majors except for the dollar yen. The dollar yen just finding a little bit of resistance up here. We also had another breakout trade here on the pound dollar. So if we step back and take a look at all of the movement here, I don't know that the dollar yen is going to continue and take out some of the highs from this morning. I don't know if it's going to happen just yet. It might take until the New York, the data that we get during the New York trading session. I am looking for another opportunity to trade here on the dollar Swiss. And then if the euro dollar and the pound dollar continue lower, if it looks like they print a bearish Tech 1 trade, which is a technique that I developed, the Tech 1 trade, I'll be looking to execute that. But again, right now, between where we are as far as timing and leading into the New York trading session, it might take until after 8:30 New York time, which is when we get more economic data out of the United States, that could give me another opportunity to see some kind of a technical setup, or at least try to trade the reaction to it. So all of these trades have closed. We're flat with the trades that I was showing you initially yesterday in the update. They finally hit their final targets. So we've made a lot of money over the last 24 hours. But I'm expecting to trade in the same direction as the breakouts that we've seen so far between yesterday and today. If the trend continues, then it's probably going to set up as a result of U.S. economic data with some Tech 1 trades, which is, again, a particular pattern and a technique that I developed. And it just points me in the same direction as the trending move for the most part, but I get to trade it along with the economic data that's available. I can use that as confirmation for the trend direction that I'm trading it into. So, again, overall, I still think that if I step back here on the 4-hour chart, on the euro dollar, I still think that this one's, capable of dropping down here a lot lower. I mean, below the 1.1180 area is possible. I don't know if it's going to happen this morning. We could still see maybe a bounce and maybe a slight retest of the level that it broke out of here. This is a 4-hour chart for the euro dollar. I'm just showing you some possibilities. These are things that I'm, trying to determine and gauge based on support and resistance, where things are. And then, of course, I need that economic data to help me get a better sense of direction. This is just a possibility. And then the same thing here with the pound dollar. The pound dollar could come down a lot lower and perhaps reach the 1.4 thousand level. It may not happen this morning. It might happen between now and the close of trading this week on Friday. Anything is possible right here, but it's just a possibility. I'm looking at these possibilities. I still need a signal. I'm not saying to immediately sell here. I still need some kind of a signal. So I've got to wait for that economic data at 8:30 New York time, and then I'll be looking for more opportunities possibly here on the dollar Swiss and also on the dollar yen. So I'll do another update on either late after the trading session today, or after a few more trades Friday morning. I'll post it right away in the morning here on the website.